All right, so I just brought in the video I recorded to Capcut. So let me show you how to record the video first. So now you mount your camera on a tripod. Either you use landscape or portrait, but I decided to use portrait for this particular tutorial, this video. So now you record yourself. Now you need to open your eye widely. You get my point. Open it very wide. Then you use your hand to do as if you are pulling out something from your eye towards the camera. When you are done, you can now do as if you bring it back. So when that is done, you can now save the video to your gallery and now come back to Capcut. So since I'm on Capcut already, I believe you get it. So let's go to how to edit this video. So now what you are going to do from where you want your own to start, because from this particular point, I want my own to start from where I'm covering my face. So I'll split and delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? So look at the video right here. So now I'm just trying to set that point where I was opening my eyes, understand, to shine my eyes to see what is happening. So now what I'm going to do right here is to click on duplicate. To duplicate this layer, I want this layer to be 2. So that's why I duplicated this layer. So we are going to work on the duplicated layer, not the first layer. You get my point? So now on this duplicated layer, are you there? Now tap on freeze. So when you tap on freeze, see what you're going to do next. You are going to tap on this one behind, tap on it and delete it because we don't need it. Go and look for delete. Where is delete? Where is delete? All right, so look at delete here. So you delete it. Now go over to the other side. This particular layer here, delete it also. Now we are using the frozen part alone on the duplicated layer. Please take note, follow it step by step. You get my point? So what you're going to do right here is for you to tap on it as it is. Now go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. Mask. Click on mask, click on circle. When you click on circle, you tap on the adjust button right there. So now what you are going to do right here is for you to use the position, use the size, understand? You don't even need to use the fader. Yes, you don't need to use fader here. So you will use the x-axis and the y-axis. You do the increase, the decrease. You get my point? Make sure you set it so that you'll be able to capture just the eye. Understand? We are capturing only one eye. You get my point based on how we recorded this video. Guys, please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. You get my point? So we are covering only one eye. So make sure you use this position and size to navigate everything how you want it to be. So guys, I made a video on how to make a car to walk. Like you see the car will have legs, understand, and walk. Sometimes it might even pursue yourself. So I made that tutorial here. So if you want to watch or you want to create that kind of video, you can click on the link up here. You get my point? And then you can go and watch the video from the beginning to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part, because if you skip any part, automatically you miss everything. So you watch and make sure you like and share that video, comment on the video. You get my point? So that is just it. That will also help you in building your video editing career. You get my point? So let's continue with this particular one right here. So now after the necessary adjustment, when you are able to get the eye, now click on OK. You get my point? So now go and look for overlay. Where is overlay? Tap on the layer, go and look for overlay. All right, click on overlay. So at this point, you are going to tap it and drag it towards that point where your hand is by your eye. So guys, at this point, you need to take your time and do the setting, because if you are not careful, you will miss everything. You get my point? So just keep adjusting it. Let the video play a little. Then you see where you can fit in the eye. Make sure the eye aligns from where you freeze it. You get my point? So look at it here. I just want to move the eye. You tap on it. Now you can make it long to the end of the video. You get my point? So now you come back here and make sure the eye aligns like this. when you fit it in right here, it will match. You get my point? Just try to fix it the way it is. So I think that is better. So the next thing for you to do when you are done fixing this eye is to add keyframe at the beginning of this video layer. Now move the video a bit. When you want to move your hand towards the camera, you get my point? Then you are going to bring out the eye, the one you just brought in. You get my point? You are going to bring it out, and keyframe will be added automatically. So that is how you are going to do till you are able to bring out the eye. You get my point? And at some point when you are bringing it out, you need to expand the eye so that camera will be able to kind of zoom it. You get my point? So that is how it is done. So when you are done with everything, you need to take it back and tap on the layer, split and delete the ending part of it. That is how it is done. So guys, at this point, you can add your sound effect. You can add any effect you want to add. And when you are done with all this, you can now export your video to your gallery. So guys, without wasting much time, see you in our next video.